Here you can see I have prepared egg benedict, and today I'll be telling you how to make an beautiful egg benedict, which is an American breakfast. It's a common breakfast over there in America, but today I am introducing you this dish on my channel. Welcome to Rocky's Pocket Recipes. Now we are going to prepare the Hollandaise sauce for the egg benedict. We need 1 egg, lime, salt, butter and boiling water, right? I'll be making the sauce in this glass for my comfort. Why? Because it is more easier. Right now I separated the yolk from the egg white. We'll add lime right into it, some salt, a pinch of salt, and give it a whisk. As it mixes together, we'll add a spoon of butter, and whisk it well right up. Right now I am whisking my egg in the hot boiling water, slow, and as the heat increases I'll remove it out slowly and then whisk it well. As you can see, simmer the heat and then again add a few spoons of butter. Right now I added a second spoon of butter. So give a slight whisk and get it out. Right now you can see the sauce beginning to stir very nicely. Right now I am adding the third spoon of butter to smoothen the sauce. Continue the procedure till you get the soft, thick paste of the Hollandaise sauce. As you can see how thick it is. Over here I'll be making poached egg. It will take around 90 seconds to 2 minutes. So I added salt, lime, as I have not kept any vinegar, so I'll be adding lime and a teaspoon of salt. Right, and now we'll add our egg. Before adding an egg, we'll just give a circular movement so the egg should not break or move out. Right there you can see it. So 90 seconds to 2 minutes or 2 minutes 60 seconds to cook it well and have it poached. Okay. Right here you can see our poached egg is ready. It's cooked well. Now let's season it with salt and keep it aside and get our toast ready. Bread ready. Let's toast it from one side. To top the bread, we have not been using bacons, but substitute I'll be using shredded chicken breast, oil shredded, and mushrooms. I'll be sauteing them with salt and pepper and then laying them on the bread. I'll be sauteing them for 1 to 2 minutes with salt and pepper. The mushrooms are cooked well. After sauteing, add your pepper and turn off the gas and keep it on the slow. Get them and then you can top off your bread. Right now we'll start our topping. With the topping we'll put some, as I told you, chicken shreds and the mushrooms I roasted. As you can see, I have put over here, just excuse me of my rough work because I'm alone. I had to hold the mobile, plus I had to get the things done. So please excuse me of my shivering hands. Later on, I'll be adding my poached egg right over, and oh, beautifully prepared. Right now, the hollandaise sauce will be adding for it. There's one thing I just want to remind you, that while making the sauce, I was putting back in the boiling water and removing it, keeping it few seconds in and out of the boiling water while whipping it. So remember, add in and out of the boiling water, and we'll sprinkle some chives over it. And here the American breakfast is ready to serve. As you can see, it's a good appetizer and really beautiful. At the first attempt, I have pulled it out. I think I have turned out lucky. It's just that I am able to prepare it. Why? Because there's one chef, Sanjeev Kapoor, that spoiled the dish. Now the moment of truth with the egg is poached, and wow, you can see the liquid gold of the egg flowing off. Is a real beauty, unbelievable, and I pulled it out at the first attempt. So good. So YouTubers, you can see, you can try this recipe, give it a try. Otherwise, leave and comment, share the video if you like, and do remember to subscribe so you can see more foreign dishes like this. And please leave a comment on Sanjeev Kapoor's recipe of egg benedict. He just spoiled it, really.